for 1 and 2 and 3 for 1. Now this one, it's a delayed walk. So what is delayed walk? So you really want to take your partner off balance as much as, so she's like falling into you. And as she's falling into you, you will change your her body weight backward by using your rib cage and then catching her off balance. So slightly off balance, there. And then from here, from that off balance, use your body action, not your arm, use your body actions here. And walk, meet her here with the high chest, boom. And hip twist her by changing diagonal. So it's a lot of body activity there, not just doing your step. So one more time, take a look at the body. 4, 1 and 2. And by the way, this step, correct way, it's you have a side step and then you have like a forward walk turning and then check this way. So you started here, slightly behind her on the diagonal, and then you have a forward walk turning and 3, 4. And here you can close your legs, but take a look at my diagonal stretch. Boom. So she's off balance. Then as she sends you away, she's going off balance back. As she passes you, you have a left diagonal, boom, and you turn her to right diagonal. And also here, for the shaping, you want to have passo doble-like shape for the arms. So not this way, and take a look at my body. So constantly this activity. And now for the girls' secret.
This step, you're going backwards, and it starts with a partial weight transfer. So you partially on the front leg as well. And then by turning your hip and transferring your weight 100%, you start closing your feet. Then you do a beautiful change, very tight. So when you change legs, make sure it's extremely tight in here, and you really go through this kind of very sexy, sensual moment. So you want to kind of put emphasis on the leg closing. So when you close, you really paying attention there, because that's the beauty of it. So basically we can do even like this, like boom, right? But there is no emotion, there is no feeling there. So I really like to close fan and really pay attention to that closing, and kind of, it's actually blinked right now. So the lady step. So we're starting with a fan position, right? And the most important part in here, so that you maintain that position and start rotating your hip, and because of that, you start closing your feet. And put a great attention on how you close that feet, because that's the beauty of kind of female style. Obviously you can do just like this, right? But there is no feeling, there is no that kind of attention and sensuality in that. So when I close the fan, I really like paying attention how I do that, squeezing my inner thighs. So the next is a Rumba walk forward, and one more Rumba walk with the emphasis on chest stretching. And I'm literally using that to kind of pushing him away. And here I will showcase my leg and pay attention on that line, and I can style my hand, then walk and hip twist. All right, let's do all together the full piece. So we start with the fan position. 4, 1, and close. 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3. We can do that again. Hey, hop, ta, ta, shoo. Send the partner away. Hop.